This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Clash of Clans videos for YouTube. First, decide on your content niche, whether it's attack strategies, base building, or funny moments. Next, you'll need good screen recording software. Many free options exist, but paid ones often offer more features. Finally, always plan your video's structure and key points before hitting record. A well-thought-out video keeps viewers engaged and makes the editing process much smoother, saving you valuable time later on. Once you're ready, record your Clash of Clans gameplay in high definition, ideally at 60 frames per second, for a smooth viewing experience. A clear, external microphone is crucial for crisp commentary. Avoid using your device's built-in mic if possible. When editing, aim for a video length of 8 to 15 minutes, as this often performs well on YouTube. Cut out any dead air or unnecessary footage to keep your audience captivated from start to finish. To attract viewers, create eye-catching thumbnails that clearly represent your video's content. Your video titles should be descriptive and include relevant keywords to help with search engine optimization. Don't forget to add appropriate tags. Once your video is live, actively engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking questions. Building a community around your content can significantly boost your channel's growth and viewer loyalty over time. Consistency is key for YouTube growth. Aim to upload new Clash of Clans videos at least once or twice a week to keep your audience coming back. Regularly check your YouTube analytics to understand what content performs best and where viewers drop off. Use this data to refine your strategy and improve future videos. Continuously seek feedback from your community and adapt your content to meet their interests, ensuring long-term success on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.